Pico-chan, the lost budgerigar, returned home on Wednesday to a pleasantly surprised owner by telling authorities his home address and phone number. The 2-year-old budgie escaped from his cage when his owner accidentally left the cage door open. Landing in the room of a nearby hotel, the bird was turned into authorities when suddenly the bird began reciting his home address, all the way to his exact street number. This is not the first time the intelligent budgie has got away, so the owner, Fumi Takahashi, taught his bird a valuable lesson: how to say his home address so finding home would be a breeze. I guess this bird doesn't need its wings clipped. Sally Turner for IB Times TV.